Hi everybody, this is Detail. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to calculate standard deviation. First, you know what is standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of the mean of the squares of individual deviations from the mean in the series. This is by James Cleaver. Now, what are the steps we have to find standard deviation? Now, these are the steps we have to follow while calculating the standard deviation. First step is find the mean using the formula m is equal to sigma x by n for ungrouped data or m is equal to sigma fx by n for grouped data. First we have to calculate the mean. Now what is the second step? Here calculate the deviation, that is d is equal to x minus m for all value of x. If it is ungrouped data, x score minus mean, what we have to calculate now, calculated, that we have to use that mean x minus m, or suppose here fx in the for group data means small x will come, that is midpoint minus m mean. Next step is square this value of d square. Whatever we get the d, we have to square it, that will get d square. Now fourth step is find summation d square. Add all d square, or if it is group data, fd square we have to add. Then fifth step, calculate sigma square, that is summation fd square by n. This is the variance of distribution. So if you take positive square root of the variance to get the standard deviation of the distribution. So we have to square root we have to find out. That is sigma is equal to square root of summation fd square by n. This is the formula we have to use to calculate standard deviation. Now let us take one problem for ungrouped data. Here the x scores are given. So here first step is find the mean of this score, that is sigma x is equal to 50. If we add all, we will get 50. Totally 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 scores are there. N is 5. So 50 by 5, that is 10. So mean is 10. Now here x is score is 6. 6 minus 10. So here minus 4, 8 minus 10 minus 2, 10 minus 10, 0, 12 minus 10, 2, 14 minus 10, that is 4. So we have to calculate the deviation d. Okay. Now square it, d square. What will we get? So 16, 4, 0, 4, 6. So we have to add all the d square. We'll get d square is equal to 14. Now use the formula. This standard deviation is equal to square root of sigma d square by n. So square root of 40 by 5, we get root 8. So root 8 is sigma is equal to 2.86. This is how we have to calculate standard deviation for ungrouped data. Suppose the on f is given, frequency given, what we have to calculate, how we have to calculate. So here problem, scores given 5, 10, 12, 14, 15, 17, 22, and frequency 1, 2, 3, 12, 4, 5, 3. Now first we have to calculate the multiply these two, f and x. So we will get 5, 20, 36, 168, 60, 85, 60. Okay. Now all add all fx, we will get 440. Now mean sigma fx by n is 440 by 30 is 14.7. So mean value is 14.7. Now you know d is equal to x minus m. So x is here 5. 5 minus 14.7 will get minus 9.7, and minus 4.7 minus 2.7 minus 0.7, 0.3, 2.3, 7.3. Okay. Now square it, d square. So d 9.7, 9.7, that is 94.09. Like that, we have to square all the d's, will get these values. After d square, we want fd square. Okay, multiply f and d square. Here f is 1 and d square is 94.09. Get 94.09. Like that, let multiply all f and d square, will get these values. Now we want sigma fd square. Summation of adding all fd square, we get summation fd square is equal to 352.7. Now you know the formula to find the standard deviation, square root of sigma ft square by n, that is square root of 352.7 by 30. So standard deviation is equal root of 11.756, that is minus 3.44. The standard deviation of given distribution. This is how we have to calculate. Now the ungrouped data. Now group data. If we have the group data, how to find the standard deviation? Now here class interval and frequency given 60 to 20, 21 25, 26 30, 31 35, 36 40, 41 45, 46 50. Now frequency 3 2 4 5 7 2 2. Okay. Now first we have to calculate the mean, isn't it? We want the sigma fx by n. X here is a midpoint. Okay, so here midpoint small x, midpoint very like 16 plus 20 by 2. So we get 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48. Okay, this is the midpoint of this class interval. Now multiply the frequency and midpoint. So we get 54, 46, 112, 165, 266, 86, 90. Okay. Now we have fx. Now add all fx, you get sigma fx to 825. Now by using this, we have to find the mean. Mean is 825 by 25. The n is 25. So mean is 33. Now you know that deviation is equal to x minus m. X is midpoint here. 18 minus 33. You get minus 15 minus 10. Like that, all we have to minus is 6x and mean will get this 4 and d square. We have next step is d square. Square this, all the d's will get 225, 100, 25, 0, 25, 100, 225. Now f d square. F here 3 2 4 5 7 2 2, d square here, and multiply this 3 in 225, that is 625, 75, 200, 100, 0, 175, 200, 450. Now add all f d square. What do we get? F d square is equal to 1800. Now we know the formula. This sigma is equal to square root of summation f d square by n. Now substitute the values to get root 75. That is sigma is equal to 8.485. So this is how we have to calculate the standard deviation for grouped as well as ungrouped data. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.